In this video guide, I will provide you with detailed guidelines that will help you to effectively remove the ransomware called CodeCore. CodeCore is the ransomware that is able to essentially damage the files that the customers store on their Windows computers. You can clearly see that before the ransomware attack there are no troubles opening any file types, including pictures, music, videos, and other data. Unfortunately, this CodeCore ransomware may be easily injected into the computer on the condition that the current security software is out of date. Indeed, some security programs claim to be effective, but they are not effective when it comes to defending the system against ransomware attacks. And if this CodeCore ransomware has affected your files, it means that your current antivirus just failed to protect your data ahead of time. So it's a good reason for you to reconsider your choices and switch to some other antivirus that can help. This particular ransomware, called CodeCore, changes the desktop wallpaper. Then it reveals this special CodeCore ransom note. This is why the ransomware is called like that. The ransom note is titled CodeCore. It tells the victims that they need to pay the ransom and to contact the developers for file restoration. The ransomware also adds a random extension. In each specific file that got encrypted, the extension that is added is random, so there is no point for me to mention it. You should not pay the ransom because this doesn't guarantee the file recovery, and if you pay the ransom you may simply waste your money without getting your data restored, so don't ever pay the ransom. We recommend you to remove this ransomware immediately using the special program called Combo Cleaner Antivirus. To download it, you might need to use Internet Explorer browser, because other browsers and their desktop shortcuts could also be modified by that ransomware. Yet, Internet Explorer browser works well. So, use your Internet Explorer browser, download Combo Cleaner Antivirus using this green download button, install the application, and start researching your system with its help. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, so only this quick scan option is available. The program will first of all update its anti-malware database, and this is definitely important for proper malware detection, so you should not cancel this procedure. After the anti-malware database has been updated, the program begins researching and investigating your system. The scanning duration, of course, depends on various factors. While the scanning is taking place, please pay attention to the feature of Combo Cleaner named Anti-Ransomware. This is the crucial feature that helps you protect your data from being damaged by any other ransomware type threats ahead of time. You can add several folders, and the contents of these folders will always be protected against ransomware. But this feature, of course, is a part of the premium license only. So you need to wait some time until the scanning by Combo Cleaner is successfully completed. At the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of all the threats which were found. I strongly advise that you upgrade to the premium license. This is the best solution to keep your data always protected in the future.